In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your Google Chrome homepage. Launch the Chrome browser on your computer. You'll notice that the default homepage is the Google search page. Navigate to the web page you want to set as your homepage. In my case, I'll select YouTube. Copy its URL from the address bar. Click on the three vertical dots located in the upper right corner of the browser. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the left sidebar, click on Appearance. Make sure the option labeled Show Home button is turned on. You will see two options here, New Tab Page and Enter Custom Web Address. Select Enter Custom Web Address and paste the URL you copied earlier into the provided box. Once you've entered the URL, your settings will be automatically saved. Now, whenever you click on the house icon next to the address bar, Chrome will take you directly to your chosen homepage.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.